In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Audacity on your Windows computer. Audacity is a free and open-source audio editing program that many people use for recording voiceovers, editing podcasts, creating music, and improving audio quality. The setup process is very simple, and I'll guide you through everything step by step. Let's jump right in. Open your internet browser and head over to Google. Search for Audacity Official Download. From the results, click on the official Audacity website. Once you're on the homepage, look for the download section. I'll choose the Windows version of Audacity, but if you have Apple, Mac OS, or Linux, choose the one you have on your computer. After you click, there will be a recommended installer with a colored download button. That MuseHub installer is beginner-friendly and straightforward. After you install that software, detecting and installing the right version of Audacity will be automatic, but the downside is lots and lots of ads. Because of that, if you know your operating system's version, I recommend downloading the specific one you have without the MuseHub installer. I need this one, so I click 64-bit. The installer file will begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your browser, you may see the download progress at the top or bottom of the screen. After the file finishes downloading, start the launcher. Start your downloaded Audacity installer. If it displays a permission request, click Yes to continue. The Audacity Setup Wizard will now appear. Select your preferred language and click OK. Next, you'll see the license agreement. Accept the agreement and continue. Next, choose the installation location. Most users can leave this on the default setting. Click Next again. You can now choose whether to create desktop shortcuts or additional start menu options. Select the options you want and continue. Now click Install. Windows will copy the program files and install Audacity onto your computer. This process usually takes less than a minute. Once installation is complete, click Finish. Audacity should now launch automatically. When the program opens for the first time, you'll see the main editing workspace. From here, you can record audio, import music files, edit sound clips, reduce noise, export finished audio projects, and much more. Audacity supports many popular audio formats, including MP3, WAV, and FLAC. It's a great tool for beginners as well as advanced users. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Audacity on your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more software tutorials, tech guides, and PC tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.